So good evening, Miss Gan. So you are applying for an HR assistant, and just tell me something about yourself.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am. Again, I am Caitlin Joyce Agan, a fresh graduate from Far Eastern University who majored in BA Psychology. As for my education, ma'am, I believe that I have always maintained a good performance, which result to good grades. But I also make sure that the grades I receive will reflect on the practice that I will be showing as I gain my first work.
So that's a great background experiences of yours. So since you stated that you are a fresh grad of BS Psych, do you have any plans to continue or to get a master's degree in the future?
Yes, ma'am, I do have plans to continue studying and earning up a higher degree compared to what I have now. Because I believe that as a worker, we should never stop learning and always increase our level of competency in order for us to reach out to more people who are in need of our help and guidance.
So what will be the reason for you to be absent?
Okay, ma'am, we all know that these instances cannot be avoided, especially when things are not in our control anymore. But the only reasons for me to be absent or as well late will be due to emergencies and sickness.
Okay. So since you're applying for an HR assistant, what do you think is the major event that the human resource will change the company in the next years?
Okay, ma'am, I think that a major event that can happen to HR that will change the company in a few years would be a more successful group of workers and a more successful company. A good HR will hire good employees, and having good employees will result to a good and better performance of the company.
Okay. Okay, for the last question, why should or shouldn't we hire you, or what are the qualities that possess to drive the results of our company?
So, ma'am, in all honesty, I find no reasons for you not to hire me because I believe that I possess skills such as communication skills. I improved that in my training, in my 4 years of education. I also believe that I can have good relationship with other people, which is very necessary in the HR position because we should be interactive with other people.
Okay, that's it. We will call you just for an update that is indicated in your resume. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, Miss Regis. So kindly introduce yourself.
Again, I'm Maria Louise Regis. I am a freshly grad of BS Psychology in Far Eastern University. So I'm interested in this position where I can utilize my skills for
Mm-hmm.
delivering promising work. I would like to offer my expertise for performing in professional environment.
Good. So you studied at Far Eastern University as BS Psychology, right? What are the skills you learn from there? What that will benefit the company?
So based on industrial practicum setting, I have gained knowledge about how to conduct a recruitment program,
Mm.
on how to do job postings, how to manage your employers and employees that will suit for their welfare.
How about your senior high school practicum? I saw here in your resume that you train as an encoder in social work department, right?
Mm, yes.
So can you explain some of your experience in there?
Although my senior high school year OJT or the practicum there was not an in-depth training.
Mm-hmm.
My experience there was, in terms in related skills in the position that I am applying for, was the familiarity with the internet application and computer literate such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
I can see myself in this company for 5 years or more than 5 years, having an excelling position and doing my best that I can do and proving myself what I have learned in my college years.
Okay. That's all, Miss Regis. Thank you.